Good morning and a happy Tuesday. We are going to again today continue with our holiday theme and finish up our unit and benchmark about holidays. Don't forget, we've discussed many times how not everybody celebrates the same holidays. Today we're going to look at another one. This very short story is about the Independence Day or 4th of July that you've probably seen celebrated a couple times now in your life. While you may not personally celebrate with your family, you've probably seen a lot of red, white, and blue around during the summer, or you've seen fireworks and were wondering what they were for. Oftentimes, they are for the 4th of July. This short informational text, also called nonfiction, is called Happy Birthday, USA. I'm going to read it 2 times. Please follow along the first time. Again, I know it's blurry, I'm sorry. And then when I'm done, I'm going to read it a second time, and I want you to read with me. Here's the title, Happy Birthday, USA. It's the 4th of July. Fireworks light up the sky. People shout and cheer. They are happy to be here. Flags wave and bands play. It's a special holiday. Why is there a celebration? It's the birthday of our nation. Did you hear rhyming in there? Because I sure did. Remember, rhyming is when a word sounds the same at the end. Let's read together one more time. At the top with the title, Happy Birthday, USA. Now move down to the small black words. Here we go. It's the 4th of July. Fireworks light up the sky. People shout and cheer. They are happy to be here. Flags wave and bands play. It's a special holiday. Why is there a celebration? It's the birthday of our nation. Did you notice how I became more excited at the end? Remember, we discussed how exclamation points show when a writer is excited. The question mark at the end asks a question. Remember, period marks the end of a sentence. Let's keep moving to learn more about the 4th of July.